Welcome back. And if you want to pay for NHIF penalties, what you're supposed to do, just go to your Mpesa menu and then you click pay bill. The pay bill number will be 200,222, and then the account number will be your ID followed by Y as I'm illustrating, and then you enter the amount that you want to contribute for your penalty, and then from there you'll have to insert your PIN and send. You'll get confirmation concerning your NHIF payment, and that is how you can be able to pay your penalties. Thank you so much guys for following and being part of this channel. See you in the next video.